Today's Samarpanam is a composition by Saint Sadasiva Brahmendra, who lived in 16th century. He says, drink the essence or rasa of Rama. The essence of Rama helps to remove the sins and protects us all. The essence of Rama removes the fear and sorrow of death and birth and helps to attain self-realization and liberation. The song also conveys that great sages like Shuka, Shaunaka and Kaushika have consumed this essence of Rama Rasa. Pibare Rama Rasam. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha. Pibare Ramarasam, Pibare Ramarasam, Rasane 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 Pibare Ramarasam, Pibare Ramarasam, Rasane. Durīkrita Pātaka Samsargam Purita Nana Vidha Phala Vargam. Durīkrita Pātaka Samsargam Purita Nana Vidha Phala Vargam. Pibare Ramarasam, Rasane Pibare Ramarasam, Pibare Ramarasam. Janana Marana Praya Shoka Viduram Sakala Shastra Nigamagamasaram. Janana Marana Bhaya Shoka Viduram Sakala Shastra Nigamagamasaram. Pibare Ramarasam, Rasane Pibare Ramarasam, Pibare Ramarasam. Paripalita Sarasi Jagarbhandam Paramapavitri Krita Pashandam. Paripalita Sarasi Jagarbhandam Paramapavitri Krita Pashandam. Pibare Ramarasam, रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं शुकशौनक कौशिकमुखपीठं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रितगीतं शुकशौनक कौशिकमुखपीठं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं रामरसं